Hello, my name is Peter. Welcome to this amazing world of Noni. Noni is nature's gift to humanity. Noni is a fruit from plant Morinda citrifolia. Morinda comes from Latin words Morus indicus. Morus means mulberry, indicus Indian. Noni fruit contains 150 nutraceuticals that are required by our body on a daily basis. These 150 nutraceuticals are available in the Noni fruit in the right combination and in an absorbable form. Noni is a powerful detoxifier. Our body gets toxified day in and day out from the food we eat, from the air we breathe, from the water we drink, from the cosmetics we use, including soaps and toothpaste, and the detergents we use. Our body is not naturally designed to process these toxins and chemicals. What happens to these toxins and chemicals? They stay as fine layers on the cell membranes of our body. Our cell membranes need to be soft and supple for proper cell membrane communication. If our cell membranes become hard and stiff, the cell membrane communication cannot happen effectively. Noni juice detoxifies the body, cleansing the toxic layers from the cell membranes. The cell membranes become soft and supple, allowing effective cell membrane communication. That is the power of Noni juice, cleansing the toxins from our body. When the toxic layers are formed on the cell membranes, the cell membrane pores are either get shrunk or closed. When the cell membrane pores are shrunk or closed, the micronutrients from the food we eat does not go into the cell. Similarly, when we get sick, we go to the doctor. Doctor gives us medicine, and oftentimes the medicines do not work. These medicines does not go into the cell because the cell membranes are either closed or shrunk. Noni juice helps the body to absorb the micronutrients from the food by opening the cell membrane pores. Also, it helps the medicines to go into the cell for it to cure the diseases. Noni is a powerful cellular food. It builds every cell of the body to become healthy. When the cells are healthy, our tissues become healthy, our organs become healthy, our body systems become healthy, and we become healthy. When our cells are not healthy, our tissues, our organs, our body systems become weak and we become sick. Noni juice has proved to be a powerful and safe pain reliever. Many of the painkillers that is available in the market cause serious side effects on a long-term use. Pain is caused by an enzyme called COX enzyme. There are two types of enzyme, COX-1 and COX-2. COX-1 is a good enzyme which is responsible for the stomach linings and intestines. COX-2 is an enzyme that is responsible for the pain, for the inflammation, and for swelling. When you take a painkiller, it inhibits the action of both the enzyme. That means your stomach walls and intestine walls are not protected by the inhibition of the COX-1 enzyme. When you take Noni juice, it selectively inhibits the action of COX-2 enzyme, which is responsible for the pain and inflammation and swelling. In that way, it has been proved that Noni juice is a safe pain reliever without any side effects. Noni juice is also proved to be a stress buster because Noni juice helps the body to secrete enough of serotonin and endorphins, which are feel-good chemicals. When our body is flushed with serotonin and endorphins, we feel good. So noni juice helps the body to keep the serotonin and endorphin levels in our body, so that whatever be the stress condition, we are able to feel good. Noni juice is also an immune system modulator. Scientists have discovered that the immune power of our people in these days is only 60% of what was there in 1960s. Immune system is meant to protect us from the viruses, bacteria and other infections. Instead of protecting us from the foreign invaders, these immune system cells start attacking our own cells, and thus leading to autoimmune diseases. What are autoimmune diseases? Diabetes, arthritis, lupus, these are some of the autoimmune diseases. When you take noni juice, it helps the body to regulate your immune system so that it does not go into the autoimmune disease mood. Our body is a chemical factory. When we speak, when we walk, when we listen, all the time in our body, one substance is converted into another substance. That is how the chemical reactions happen in our body. Nitric oxide is a gas molecule that is produced by the body, required for most body functions. Research has shown that noni juice helps the body to produce enough of nitric oxide. When our body chemistry is good, our body is good. Noni juice helps the healthy cells to stay healthy and the sick cells to become healthy. In that way, noni juice is meant for healthy people as well as for sick people. Noni juice is also a powerful adaptogen. What is an adaptogen? Adaptogen is a substance which helps the body systems to work to normal levels. In other way, to work in harmony. Our body has its own self-healing mechanism or self-repairing mechanism. When we get a wound, the body can heal the wound itself because of its self-healing power. If the self-healing power is in place, medicines work effectively. If the self-healing power is not in place, the medicines do not work effectively. Noni juice, by cellular action, helps the body's self-healing mechanism to be stronger. In that way, it helps the medicines to work effectively in our body. It helps in digestion, creates regular bowel movements, it increases the energy, it improves the sleep, and it makes you feel good. Every time you drink noni juice, you will definitely thank the nature. You will also thank the person who gave you noni juice. Thank you for your listening, and thank you for your commitment to stay healthy. I love you.